What's up, everybody? It's your boy TuPhones back again with another informative video. I just want to give y'all another tip and trick for those of you that constantly lose service, like maybe on Google Fi, maybe on Text Now, maybe on Mint Mobile, any service. Okay, it's not particularly for one service. This could be for any service. One thing you might want to do if you lose signal, as you can see, I still got signal. I'm in a car wash right now. I don't know how the service is. But if you don't see like LTE or 1X or 3G, 4G, LTE, anything, 5G plus, anything like that, and you got like straight bars, but no like, main logo, one thing you might want to do is go through your settings at the top and hit on the airplane mode. You tap on airplane mode. Okay. I'm on airplane mode. So you let that sit for like approximately 10 seconds. I don't have a timer on me, but okay, I see a little timer. So you let that sit about 10 seconds. And once you let the airplane mode sit for 10 seconds, okay, so I do it. All right. Once you let it sit for 10 seconds, then you want to tap on airplane mode again and let your signal kick back in, and boom, maybe you have signal, maybe you have service. Here we go. Notification just came in. Another notification came in. So that's a little small minor tip. I hope this was very informative. If you're having service problems, you're not getting signal, you're not getting notifications coming in, no phone calls coming in, no text messages, just go through your settings toggle at the top for Android and tap on the airplane mode. Wait for 10 seconds, tap on it again, turn it on, turn it off, and see if that works. Let me know if that helped you. If you like the content that's coming at you every day or every week, don't hesitate to, drop a donation in the CashApp, PayPal, Chime, Google Pay, all right, et cetera, et cetera. All right, it's your boy TuPhones. I'm out.